हरि करना।
So now we will be looking into the one more type of distribution. This is also very important when it compared to now when you have to work on two samples, so two populations at a time, or maybe in regression analysis and all these kind of things. It's very much important. That's called our F distribution. So first we will look into the history and evolution of the F distribution in statistical analysis. So the F distribution was first introduced by Sir Ronald Fisher in 1924 as a tool for statistical inference in analysis of variance. ANOVA, ANOVA, ANOVA. The ANOVA technique was developed by Fisher to test the hypothesis that several population means are equal based on a set of sample means. So the F distribution was later used extensively in the field of quality control, where it was used to compare the variances of two different samples. It was also used in the design of experiments, where it was used to determine the optimal sample size and the number of replicates required to achieve a desired level of statistical power. So over time, F distribution was it has been applied to a wide range of statistical problems, including hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and the comparison of treatment effects in clinical trials. It has also been used in the development of statistical models for data analysis, such as the analysis of variance models and in the estimation of parameters in statistical models. So, in recent years, the F distribution has been used extensively in the field of machine learning, where it's used to evaluate the performance of classification models and to compare the accuracy of different models. So it has also been used in the development of feature selection algorithms, where it's used to identify the most important features in a data set. So overall, the F distribution has become an important tool in statistical analysis and has continued and has continued to contribute significantly to the development of modern statistical theory and methods.